Hey everybody, Travis here coming at you with my top 5 picks from our March 27th comic TCG and toy auction. And I gotta tell you, I am so proud of this catalog that it was tough for me to pick 5 great lots because there are 30 amazing highlights. So make sure to check out the catalog, bidlive.brunoandco.com. Auction starts March 27th, 10 a.m. That's a Saturday morning. So throw on your PJs, flip open your laptop, grab a cup of coffee, and bid on our website, bidlive.brunoandco.com. But top 5 highlights of the day, I'm just going to go right in numerical order because, again, there's so much awesomeness. Lot 81, Marvel Comics Daredevil number 1, CGC 6.0, estimated 3,000 to 4,000. Now, think of this. Daredevil 1 in a 6.0, that's a 1964 Silver Age comic. That is one of the most undervalued first appearance books of the Silver Age. I mean, you compare that to a first Iron Man, first Ant-Man, first Doctor Strange, first Thor, any of those major books in a 6.0, you're going to be spending well over $8,000 to $10,000 for a copy. So Daredevil, one of the most underappreciated characters of literally the beginning of Marvel Comics. That's why it makes the top 5 list. Second highlight of the day, lot 241, Marvel Comics Giant Size X-Men 1 in a 9.0. Now, catalog estimate is 4,000 to 6,000, but that book has been going up literally on a daily basis, has an appreciation like Bitcoin. I've never seen anything like it in my life. Last completed sale I saw that book was $8,500 and change. I want to throw it in there 4,000 to 6,000 because I remember when you could have bought that book for $2,000 maybe a year ago. It's crazy how times have changed. Second portion of the catalog going into the Pokemon section, lot 281 on a first edition Charizard, came in at a CGC 8. Now Charizard, that is the Holy Grail card, I would say, or general Holy Grail. I'm not talking about crazy illustrators and things like that, but just of the Pokemon community, Charizard, first edition. It doesn't really get much better than that. CGC 8, that's a really nice card. We don't put estimates on any of the Pokemon because the market fluctuates so much, but I see that card easily going over $8,000 to $10,000. It's going to go way past that. I just know it is. The market is on fire. Second Pokemon highlight, lot 333. Factory sealed Jungle first edition booster box. And you all know, I keep saying it all the time, sealed merchandise is king. You have all these people opening these boxes, doing pack rips on YouTube, TikTok. Sealed merchandise goes down every single day. So that Jungle box is definitely going to be a lot to watch. Final highlight, this auction now doesn't have much toys, but you all know that's where my heart is. So I got to give the last highlight to lot 410 on the 1982 Bandai GoDaikin Tetsujin 28. Now that is my favorite robot toy of all time that has ever been made. So regardless of what auction we have it in, it's always going to make the top 5 list to me. That robot is 99.999% complete. It is missing one red missile, and T28 is just the holy grail of Japanese Godaikin diecast collecting. It's the biggest, baddest robot that's out there. So again, these are only 5 highlights from an auction of 444 lots. That's a ton of pop culture craziness. Make sure to check out the catalog, bidlive.brunoandco.com. Comic, TCG, and toy auction at Bruno & Co. March 27th, 10 a.m.
That's BRUNEAU.